Namaste, myself B. Malati, a research scholar under the guidance of Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya Garu. Now here I would like to present the paper with the title The Impact of RGOT, Stroke Government of Telangana, 2011, ICT Solutions for Golden Telangana and eSwachh Bharat with the quality of national digital life. Here, moving on to abstract, the description of the two culprit organizations, that is JNTH JAC and FGOT, has been explained here, and the clear explanation of these have been already presented in the previous videos. And the digital society, we already know digital society is a progressive and knowledge based, that is formed as a result of implementation of ICT technologies. Okay, and the usage of ICT, it need now at this moment the ICT technology usage, now it has to be a solution for all these cyber criminal issues. That is the main intention. And the national life means living a life that shows one belongingness to the nation, so that need to be implemented QA&DL with ICT solutions. It's moving on to the introduction part. Here FCSGOT has been explained here, which has committed 4 cyber crimes already been described here: the violation of State Emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005, identity theft, cheating the nation, sedition law violation, all this. They have already filed the FIR in 2014 and 2018, that is the fake government of Telangana and seditious government of Telangana simultaneously. And 94 RTA letters were sent to different authorities, and the awareness has been brought to the public authorities through PGF and also some social networking sites. The main intention or goal is to make a cyber crime free environment in the higher educational institutions. And the quality of national digital life is very important, and that need to be implemented. And the feeling of national consciousness, national integrity, solidarity, national amity, national responsibility need to be brought into the students and the faculties in the higher education universities, and that is the main objective. And here the related work, the history of the research work has been explained, and the informed society, about the informed society, history of the research work is nothing but about the website, the registrations made, who are all involved in the registrations, how it has been tackled by using the RTA Act, ICT solutions, the diffusing methods, etc. And the informed society, here in this the explanation that the Cyberabad police have been have faced failure. They failed in their in executing their responsibilities or duties. The FIRs were filed, but it's not properly tackled. And here shown in the figure 1 is a cyber criminal website. That's taken snapshot in 2011 to 2014 between, and here it is in the figure 2, it's taken on October 2018. It has changed its website completely. They have removed the Indian emblem, but their cyber crime is at the background. Okay, they are in, so it has changed, so it's termed as a wolf in sheep's clothing. And moving on to the next section, that is research methodology. Here shown is the cyber criminal JNTH JAC objectives and activities. So these are taken from their website. But the question is, with these cyber criminal intentions in their mind, how are they able to achieve the achievements, that is objectives or achievements? And the fourth figure here, it shows the culprit JNTH Jack with the JNTH University authorities. So here the JNTH authority is indirectly supporting the culprit organization, that the VC registrar rector are not taking any action on this JNTH Jack. And moving on to the next section, the FGOT approximately 2011 to when it has existed, we don't know. It is perhaps cheating the original government of Telangana. The original government of Telangana was from 2nd June to September 2018, 2nd June 2014 to September 2018. The figures shown here are FGOT 2011 cheating original government of Telangana, so showing there a 360-degree perspective, cybercrime perspective. And this with offline and online forensic evidences, the real conviction happens. That's a mistake, it's not 3600, it is 360 degrees cybercrime perspective, and in the B it is 0 degrees cybercrime perspective. Sorry for the mistake. And with offline and online forensic evidences, the real conviction happens, right? Kukatpalli police and JNTH authority are completely careless. They did not find time to release a white paper to this organization, cyber criminal organization. 0 degree cybercrime perspective is the other goal is to make a perishable society or a well informed society with cybercrime free society, to make Swachh Digital national life. Now we need to prepare the Swachh Digital India, that is called as True Information India. In this nation there is no chance of cyber crimes based on significance of truth. And the figure 6, it shows the student JNTH Jack of JNTH is participating in TRS party meeting. And then the fake government of Telangana with 8 ways of dimensions, that is fake, rogue, seditious, criminal, illegal and immoral, dark, culprit and fraud, cyber criminal and seditious government of Telangana. These are damaging the significance of abusive national digital life, ANDL. And here first one, fake FGOT, developed by that organization in 2011, and RGOT, it's still now the Telangana government has not identified this RGOT. Seditious 2011 government only, it used the Indian emblem. And CGOT, this 2011 GOT having the FIRs. Legal and immoral GOT, that's 2011, it's diluted with politics. Dark GOT, identifying this is very difficult. In 2011 dark government ruled. And culprit and fraud GOT, this is formed by with the knowledge of students and staff of JNTH University. And cyber criminal and seditious GOT, the government had the online cybercrime, which they have the identity of the Indian emblem. This is the diagram here in figure 7. The 8 dimensions of FGOT are shown. 2011 to 2014 false GOT, and these are all the dimensions. Next, moving on to the next section, comparisons of e-Swachh Bharat and without e-Swachh Bharat. Now this is the table which shows the comparisons. The first one is Satya Bharat, that is true Bharat, or well informed Bharat and perishable Bharat. And here it is developed with the it has developed the negative effect in the society. Without that, a negative effect in the society. With the eSwachh Bharat, it has the correct information and it will lead to a real digital life, right digital life. And here it forms ill-informed society. Here it achieves a quality of national digital life, and here they are provided with wrong information and wrong messages. It has high quality of national life, which will contain the genuine truth. There is no chance of misusing the internet. Here misusing of internet, wrong track of society is there. And next section, ICT solutions to make eSwachh Bharat. Now this is the PGF web page. With the help of the ICT, they have developed the PGF forum web page, and it contains the research papers, research videos and lectures also available, and it gives awareness to the society. And even there are many links on the top of that, if you have observed, and the degree, that is 7. And awareness about the higher education in this about cyber crimes in the higher education, and how to diffuse it, and what are the remedial activities, that's shown there. The positive psychology or positive attitude and strong national feelings towards the nation is required, very much required, to control such cyber crimes. The quality of national digital life, QONDL. Here the figure shows the national leaders having the national life and family life, both. That's a smart society. Every man and woman has their own life. Present days they don't have national life with their family lives. Our national leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Azad Chandrasekhar, Swami Vivekananda had their own family with a national life. They sacrificed their life for the nation. They were our national spirit. They have national consciousness towards Mother India. And this egalitarian society, a person who advocates or supports the principle of equality for all people. When the people have family life and national life, they'll achieve Golden Telangana with QONDL. Now we need to have that social responsibility and make or develop a well-informed society, and eSwachh Bharat and thus Golden Telangana. Moving on to the conclusions. The Swachh Digital Society for the nation need to be built for the nation. Okay, so that's the main goal, and need to share genuine information in the internet. That's a very important thing. And in order to prevent the cyber crimes, a positive national psychology is very important. Quality of national life is very important. All the feelings like national solidarity, amity, integration and consciousness is very important. And the authors of this paper used ICT with the help of PGF. ICT as well. With the help of ICT, they have built PGF, and that contains it's a remedial forum, and it contains research papers also which are relevant to the cyber crimes, and how to cyber police them and diffuse them. Social media like Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, all these have also been used here. The batch like 2017 passed out MTech students got awareness of positive psychology and all these national integration towards the faculty and student community. And the Telangana government and police now need to prohibit this kind of maladaptive organizations. That is the main objective. Next, the future scope of research is a good path, that is a road to information technology to RTI, that is Right to Information Act 2005, has been mentioned here. And here the vision or the hype or fake and the reality are mentioned. Vision is to give awareness and make the cyber free, and hype or fake is these organizations, cyber criminal organization, that is CGOT, SGOT, and the reality is People Governance Forum, PGF. Citizens of the country should have quality of national digital life, and that can be achieved by preventing or mitigating the online cyber crimes. So the intention here is meant to be in love with or dedication to motherland and have strong wisdom of association with the other people who share the same morals. JNTH University regular academic environment is polluted with these other criminal organizations, so that need to be the main objective. Thank you.